Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you love nature as much as we do, you're in for a treat. Today we're going to share 50 fun and fascinating facts about the natural world that are sure to blow your mind. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the wonders of nature. 1. The Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen. That's right, the Amazon isn't just full of incredible wildlife, it also helps to keep our air clean. 2. A single tree can absorb up to 48 pounds of carbon dioxide per year. So the next time you take a walk through a forest, remember, trees are literally cleaning the air for us. 3. A blue whale's tongue weighs as much as an elephant. Imagine that. This giant marine mammal weighs as much as 33 elephants, and its tongue is a major part of that weight. Some turtles can live to be over 100 years old. That's a seriously long life. The oldest recorded turtle lived to be 188 years old. 5. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the Earth's beaches. That's mind-blowing! When you look up at the night sky, just think about how many stars you're seeing. 6. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Perfect for these fabulous pink birds. A flamboyance of flamingos is a stunning sight. 7. The Earth's magnetic field is shifting. Don't worry, it's a natural process. The Earth's magnetic poles move at about 10 kilometers per year. 8. The largest living organism is a fungus in Oregon. This honey fungus covers over 2,000 acres. It's a hidden giant of the forest floor. There are more trees on Earth than there are stars in the Milky Way. With about 3 trillion trees on our planet, nature is truly magnificent. 10. Some species of jellyfish are biologically immortal. These jellyfish, like Turritopsis dawni, can revert to their juvenile form and potentially live forever. And 11. The fastest land animal is the cheetah, reaching speeds up to 60 miles per hour. Cheetahs can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just a few seconds. 12. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest living structure on Earth. It spans over 2,300 kilometers and is visible from space. 13. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. One rotation on Venus takes 243 Earth days, while a full orbit around the Sun only takes 225 Earth days. 14. Butterflies taste with their feet. They have sensors on their feet that can taste plants and help them determine where to lay their eggs. 15. Pine trees can live for thousands of years. Some of the oldest pine trees are over 5,000 years old. 16. A sloth can hold its breath for up to 40 minutes. Sloths are expert divers and they don't even need to surface for a long time. There are over 1,000 species of bamboo. Bamboo is incredibly versatile and can grow up to 35 inches in a single day. An octopus has 3 hearts. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Talk about multitasking. A group of owls is called a parliament. Not just wise, but they also have a very dignified name. Crocodiles cannot stick their tongue out. Their tongues are fixed to the roof of their mouth, so they can't move them. 21. A single lightning bolt can contain up to 1 billion volts of electricity. That's enough power to light up a small city for hours. 2. The shortest war in history lasted just 38 to 45 minutes. It was fought between the countries of Britain and Zanzibar in 1896. 23. Some frogs can freeze during winter and thaw out in the spring. These frogs enter a state called cryobiosis and can survive being frozen solid. There are more than 8 million species of animals on Earth, and we've only discovered a small fraction of them. 25. The largest flower in the world is the Rafflesia arnoldi. This flower can grow up to 3 feet wide and smells like rotting meat. 26. Sea otters hold hands while they sleep to keep from drifting apart. They form adorable rafts to stay together in the water. 7. The world's deepest ocean point is the Mariana Trench. It's over 36,000 feet deep, which is deeper than Mount Everest is tall. An elephant's tusks are actually enlarged incisor teeth. These tusks are made of ivory and continue to grow throughout the elephant's life. There are more than 10,000 species of birds in the world. From penguins to parrots, the diversity of bird species is incredible. 30. A group of crows is called a murder. Spooky, right? Crows are known for their intelligence and complex social behaviour. 31. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. 32. A whale's heart can weigh as much as an automobile. These massive creatures need powerful hearts to pump blood throughout their enormous bodies. Giraffes have black tongues. Their dark tongues help protect them from sunburn while they reach for leaves high in the trees. Penguins mate for life. These adorable birds form lifelong bonds with their partners, often raising several generations together. 35. A rainforest in the Amazon can have over 400 billion trees. That's a whole lot of oxygen and biodiversity in one place. And 36. Sharks have been around longer than trees. Sharks have existed for over 400 million years, while trees only appeared around 350 million years ago. The longest-lived animal is the ocean quahog clam, which can live to be over 500 years old. This clam has lived through centuries of history. The blue poison arrow frog has skin that is toxic enough to kill a human. These frogs use their bright colours as a warning to predators about their deadly venom. 39. Some species of ants can form living bridges to cross gaps. These ant bridges are created by linking their bodies together in a cooperative effort. 40. A giraffe's neck has the same number of vertebrae as a human's, just 7. Even though it's long, a giraffe's neck is made of the same amount of bones as ours. 41. A sea star can regrow its limbs. If a sea star loses an arm, it can regenerate it over time. 42. The heart of a shrimp is located in its head. That's one way to keep things interesting in the ocean. 43. There are over 700 types of potatoes in the world. From sweet potatoes to russets, potatoes are more diverse than you might think. 44. Kangaroos can't walk backward. Their powerful legs are built for hopping, but they can't move backward easily. 45. The world's largest rodent is the capybara. Native to South America, these giant guinea pig-like animals can weigh up to 150 pounds. A chameleon's tongue can extend twice the length of its body. They use this impressive tongue to snatch insects in the blink of an eye. 47. Trees can communicate with each other through underground fungal networks. This network, known as the Wood Wide Web, helps trees share nutrients and warnings about dangers like pests. 48. The tallest living tree is a coast redwood named Hyperion. This giant stands at a staggering 379.7 feet tall, taller than the Statue of Liberty. 49. There are more bacteria in your body than human cells. In fact, for every human cell, there are about 10 bacteria cells. They're living all over us and inside us. 50. The world's largest desert is actually Antarctica. It's true! Even though we think of deserts as hot, sandy places, Antarctica is the driest desert in the world. Wow, wasn't that fun? The natural world is full of surprises, and there's so much more to discover. If you learned something new today, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing facts. And as always, leave a comment below with your favourite fun fact about nature. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Upbeat music plays as the video fades out.